What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. As you guys can see in the title, today's going to be another unboxing of a new AR that I just got. This is the Springfield Saint Victor. Alright, so let's go ahead and check it out. Alright, so here it is. First thing I'll say that this gun right here came with this nice carrying case, soft case right here. This badge, you got a badge. There's a Velcro badge right here, which is nice. So let's go ahead and start. I guess we'll go ahead with the case, see what's inside here. Here's a pocket. It's for a magazine right here. On the other side here, we have a lock. And that's all on the outside here. So you can also, like I said, you can put another magazine on this side right here. But this is the nice soft case that came with it. So let's go ahead and open it up. Alright, so right in front of us we have here is the gun itself. Got some nice strap the gun down on it. So here's the gun right here. So let me go ahead and take it out of the case and remove this. Set this gun down right here. Alright, so that's all that really is to it. Again, come with a soft case, and here's the gun right here. Safety flag on. Got these. Got a better close-up look on it. And like I said, this gun is really nice. I'm really digging it. Come with these flip up iron sight here. One in the rear, one in the front. Basically just press this right here and it'll just flip right up by itself. Put that back down. Just for stock. Press here, slide back and forth if you like it. So yeah, guys, that's really all it is to it. Again, this is the Springfield Saint Victor. Really nice gun. Can't wait to take it out to the range and try it out. I just want to give you guys a look at it, the unboxing that I just received. Just trying to give you guys some good angle on this. Again, I don't know if the camera will pick it up, but this gun is really nice. And like I said, I can't wait to take it out to the range, test it out. Maybe do a few upgrade. I don't know if I'm going to keep these iron sight on here or not. But I don't know, we'll see. Like I said, this is the new Springfield Saint Victor. If you guys like what you guys see here, make sure you guys like and subscribe. And I'll see you guys on the next video.